Alright guys, quick tip for anybody that's installing their transmission at home by themselves, and the last little bit where it doesn't want to slide in. This is what worked for me today. I installed this by myself. So anyway, you get the transmission lined up with your jack, and then of course it doesn't go in the last little bits. You got to push in the clutch. So just take a big old C-clamp, right, and you can draw in the clutch all the way with the C-clamp, and your transmission will just pop in. So that's a little trick if you're trying to install this by yourself. Alright guys, hope this helps someone, and we'll be back at you soon. Here's a mock-up of the 349 QuickTime bell housing, McLeod RXT twin disc, faceplated TKO 600. We'll be going in the car. When I get my TrickFlow R manifold back from the machine shop, it's being milled down for port alignment reasons, and we'll go with that. And we'll also be testing. This is my home ported amateur job, Vic Jr. Chinese copy. So I ported that myself to port match the intake to the head. So we can test that one also. Anyway guys, that's just a little quick tip. Get yourself a couple C-clamps. They come in handy.